Hello, I'm Ian Morris for The Inquirer with the 32GB Wi-Fi only Motorola Xoom. Now this is the most hotly anticipated Honeycomb Android tablet. It's taken a while to arrive, but now it's here, we're very pleased to see it. It's quite a nice feeling device. Weighs 730 grams, so it's heavy. It's not uncomfortable, but one thing that we've noticed during our testing is that Motorola has done absolutely everything it can to disencourage you to hold it like this and to sort of hopefully get you to hold it in the landscape mode. Now we're not sure why that is, but generally the landscape mode is preferable anyway, and especially with the some of the tablets now having keyboard docks, they generally all operate in landscape mode. The cameras are there's one on the front, that's a 2 megapixel camera. There's a rear mounted camera which has a flash, and that's 5 megapixels. There's the lock button is curiously located here, but actually when we're using it we actually find it's quite good to be able to just reach under the machine and lock and unlock it. For those of you familiar with Honeycomb, you'll be aware of how you set up the lock screens. There's all of the most recent applications you've used are listed. The status indicators down here are quite useful. That gives you the time, obviously, and your Wi-Fi and battery. You can move into the more advanced settings if you want, including screen brightness, or set to auto if you want, and switch on notifications, or you can go fully into the proper menu system, set up how the tablet interacts with your user accounts and makes everything hang together. Now, we've found that the Xoom is excellent, but the biggest disappointment for us is at the moment, for some reason, this doesn't support external micro SD cards. There is a slot, it's up here on the top, it's alongside where the SIM card will go on the 3G models, but as yet it's not been enabled for it, which is a shame because other tablets have got it. You'll also notice these, it's very responsive. I mean, this is an absolutely wonderful tablet in terms of its spec. It's an NVIDIA dual-core Tegra 2, so it's snappy, responsive. I mean, we've had very few problems with this, and it really is much more responsive than the first generation of Android tablets, and we can certainly see why Google was keen for everyone to wait until Honeycomb was released before the tablets. Apps are separated into all of the apps and the apps that you've chosen to download onto the tablet, and there are increasingly apps that support the larger screen ratio, which is good, although it is taking a while. For The Inquirer, I'm Ian Morris, and that's the Motorola Xoom.